creative people, welcome back to another episode of Busy Beader. If you don't know me already, or if you forgot my name, I'm Caitlin. I am so glad that you're here with us today. Here at Busy Beader, we do fun, short, simple, easy crafts that take basically no time at all to unlock your creativity, but you end up with something fun, functional, and beautiful at the end of it. And today we are going to be making a fidget bracelet. This is a very simple and very easy craft, similar to the fidget ring that we made last year, but this ends up being a very functional piece of jewelry. I know that myself and many of you out there love having pieces of jewelry or things that you can play with, fidget with, and kind of get that energy out in a way that's non-disruptive to others, but really helps you. And so this is going to be one of those crafts here today. And the hardest part about it, honestly, is just finding beads that will fit onto the bracelet appropriately. But once you do, it's really just a matter of stringing them on there. So it's really simple. But before we jump in, a couple more things to go through. The first being that you should check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. They are now offering a discount code to my viewers. That code's going to be right here, and it's also in the description box below, right next to the link for my sponsor's website. And you're going to apply that code at checkout, and that's going to give you $5 off your order. And that's a thank you for being my viewer and for checking out my sponsor. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. That way you can join our growing crafting community and you get to hang out with us all the time. Okay, let's jump into our craft today. Step 1. All right, today's bracelet is super simple and you only need a couple of things. I have laid out a bunch of different options for you, but really what you're gonna need is gonna be super dependent on what you wanna do. The most important piece that we have today is our bangle. You can buy these bangles straight from my sponsor, and what's great is this bead unthreads, and that's how you get beads on it. And then you need whatever beads you'd like to put on your bangle. So you just need a rather large hole on your bead, and other than that you can place whatever you want to place on this bangle. So you could do little letter beads and put whatever word you'd like. There are beads like this that are just like fun. These are just little acrylic beads, and then here we have some ceramic beads that are really pretty. They look like the sides of like china patterns, and here we've got some glass beads. So I just want to show you that there's a variety of things that you can do with this, but once you gather your supplies and materials, we don't need any tools today. So just gather whatever you want to put on your bangle, and then let's jump in. Step 2. All right, so this project is really super simple. What you're going to do is find the end that unthreads, and you're going to take that bead off. And then you're going to put whatever beads you want on your bangle. So if you're going to do beads like this, and you can do as many or as few beads, so that's one look on this. Or you can put little letter beads on, or you can do beads like this. You could also wear this bangle plain if you want to. I think that I'm going to put my name on it. So I really like the contrast of the gold to the silver on this bracelet. So I am just gonna go ahead and thread the beads through, and just making sure not to get them backwards. So I'm gonna put this on here, like so, and look at how cute that is. This would also be an excellent project for your one word for the year if you want to wear your one word. And this bracelet, what's so great about it is that this is an excellent fidget bracelet. So once you've put your beads on it, you're just going to thread that end bead back on, and I recommend that you try and get that end bead on as tightly as you are able. And when you are wearing this bracelet, it is an excellent, so you just slide it on to your wrist like that. And since these beads are loose, it's an excellent kind of fidget bracelet idea. So very simple project today, but very fun outcome. So I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see what you create. And just like that, you have a very fun and functional piece of jewelry. I ended up going with the letter beads for my name. I might change that out though, potentially put another word on it or different beads. That's the nice thing about this bangle, is that all you have to do is unscrew that end and you can change out your beads all the time to whatever you want. But this is really fun to just play with the beads, to slide them around. It's a great way to engage with your energy and get all those fidgets out, which I know myself and many of you out there need little fun things like this. So I do hope that you enjoyed this project and getting to make it with me today. If you did, go ahead and do me a favor and like, share, comment, and subscribe. That way you get to hang out with me all the time and I get to keep making these fun videos for you all. And don't forget to take advantage of that discount code that my sponsor is offering down in the description box below, and just checking out my sponsor because they are amazing. I hope that you have a very fun week, and I will see you in the next one.